Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a rigid shell. Cut two 24 by 14 cardboard panels and mark the screen opening with a 1/2 flange. This makes seams stronger. Next, attach 1/2 foam strips to internal edges to create a flat mounting plane. This avoids wobble. Use a straight edge and a fresh box cutter for clean lines, and hot glue in short bursts so the cardboard doesn't warp. Once done, test fit the clear plastic diffuser to confirm dimensions before permanently bonding panels together. Now you build the internal mount and optical path. Glue a 3/4 spacer frame inside the front panel to hold the plastic diffuser at consistent distance. Consistent spacing yields even brightness. Position the rear support at about 10 to 15 degrees for ergonomic viewing, and add triangular braces where the load concentrates so the monitor won't sag. Insert your diffuser and an optional polarizer for contrast, then fold and glue bezel tabs to lock components in place. Make sure finish by sealing edges and adding a cable channel. Use Velcro straps to secure the power brick and input so nothing pulls on the housing. Power the display with a 60Hz test, image and inspect for hotspots, color shift, or moire patterns. If you see distortion, adjust the diffuser to screen distance in 1/8 inch increments until uniform. Small changes matter. If glue bonds fail, re-glue with contact cement and clamp for 10 minutes. You should now have a stable, functional cardboard gaming monitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.